Altro transport flooring is specially engineered for high-quality performance and inviting bus, coach and rail interiors. Drawing on over 60 years' experience in the transport sector, our floor offers a durable construction with excellent sustained slip resistance and wide design options. We're proud to partner with you in order to create spaces which are inviting, safe and compliant for all who use them, in all sectors of public transport. Installation of Altro transport floors should follow the instructions outlined in this video and in the installation guide. The best way to protect the performance and guarantee for your Altro transport flooring is a correct quality install. Please contact us for advice or support if you need it.